In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method in Exeter Finance. And if you'd like to use your car to earn extra income, we've included a link to DoorDash driver in the description. To start, open the website exeterfinance.com. Then click on the option that says Make a Payment. Next, under My Account, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your username and password. Once entered, click on Log In. Once you're logged in, you will see an option that says Wallets. Click on Wallets. Then, on this page, you will see the list of your currently active payment methods. Click on the payment method you wish to remove. Once clicked, you will see an option that says Edit. Click on Edit. Next, at the upper right corner of the tab, you will see an option that says Delete. Click on Delete. A pop-up tab will then appear asking if you are sure to delete the wallet item. To proceed, click on Yes. That's how you remove a payment method in Exeter Finance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.